The material required to build this project right from scratch are as shown: 2 flat tire wheels, 1 omni wheel and 1 on-off switch, 2 DC geared motors of 60 R.P.M, 1 9V DC battery to power up this project. Let's now see the tools are required to build this project with easy go. 1 small scissor, screwdriver, wire cutter, and double-sided tape. Let's go and start building this project.
Now take both the flow-sted tire wheels and apply them to the shafts of provided DC geared motors one by one as shown it. Now apply double-sided tape to the back sides of both DC geared motors one by one as shown up here and follow these steps. Now I am going to remove the top covers of these applied double-sided tapes on the back of these motor and thereafter sticking these 2 geared motors together now. Now this is the time to apply the third wheel to this project so that it will get stabilized horizontally to the ground. For this process I have applied their double-sided tape to the back of the Omni wheel as you are seeing it now. Now further I am going to fix this Omni wheel to the project body to make it stabilize horizontal position with the ground. Now time is for electrical connections, and for this you need 1 on-off switch and 1 9V batteries clip. Now I am joining both motor wires in parallel connection format. For this process I am going to twist both upper sided wires together and the lower sided wires together of both the motors. Further I am screwing both upper sided wires of both motors into the one side of this electrical junction. Further I am screwing negative wire of battery clip into the other side of this electrical junction as you are seeing it now. Now further I am going to apply the remaining lower side both twisted wires of these motors to one side of on-off switch, and positive wire of battery clip to the other end of on-off switch.
Now time is to test this project by powering it up via applying 9V DC battery to it. Further we are fixing the 9V battery to the top of this project with the help of double-sided tape. Now we are fixing on off switch along one side of 9V battery. Further, we are adjusting the unrest electrical junction and unrest project wires along the body of this project so no mess of wires and cables will appear. This will give an excellent look to this mini truck project. Now give a final look to this newly built mini truck project. Hope you might have found this useful video tutorial, and now champs, you can also build your own mini truck at your home by following these easy steps shown in this video. See you soon in our next video tutorial. Till then, bye, take care and best of luck.